Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Creamy beef mushroom is the kind of dish that feels like a warm hug on a cold night. Tender beef and earthy mushrooms simmer in a rich, velvety sauce that's both comforting and satisfying. It's a crowd pleaser for good reason, simple enough for a weeknight but elegant enough to serve at a dinner party. What makes this recipe stand out is its flexibility. You can pair it with noodles, mashed potatoes, or crusty bread for soaking up every last drop of sauce. Whether you're cooking for family or hosting friends, creamy beef mushroom delivers flavor without fuss. Let's get started. The origins of creamy beef mushroom. Creamy beef mushroom didn't just appear on dinner tables overnight. Its roots run deep, blending rustic cooking traditions with the universal love for hearty, flavorful meals. Over time, it has become a staple in many kitchens, adapting to local tastes while staying true to its comforting essence. A classic comfort food. There's a reason creamy beef mushroom feels like a hug in a bowl. The dish combines tender beef and earthy mushrooms with a luscious sauce that's rich without being heavy. It's the kind of meal that warms you up from the inside, making it a go-to for chilly nights or days when you need something satisfying. Key factors that make it a comfort food favorite. Slow cooking enhances flavor. Simmering the beef and mushrooms melds the ingredients into something greater than the sum of its parts. Creamy texture balances heartiness. The velvety sauce contrasts perfectly with the bite of beef and mushrooms. Simple but impactful. Even with basic ingredients, the dish delivers deep, lingering taste. Generations have turned to this recipe when they crave food that soothes as much as it fills. Regional variations. While creamy beef mushroom follows a familiar formula, it takes on local flair depending on where it's made. Some versions stick to basics, while others introduce twists that make them unique. French influence. A splash of red wine or brandy deepens the sauce, while herbs like thyme or tarragon add aromatic layers. German and Eastern European twists. Sour cream or crème fraîche gives the sauce a tangy kick, often paired with egg noodles or dumplings. American adaptations. Quicker versions may use condensed soup for convenience, but slow-cooked renditions keep the tradition alive with fresh ingredients. No matter the variation, the core appeal remains. Tender beef, earthy mushrooms, and a sauce worth savoring. The dish proves that great food doesn't need complexity, just quality ingredients and time. Key ingredients for the perfect creamy beef mushroom. Great food starts with great ingredients. For creamy beef mushroom, the right beef, mushrooms, and dairy base make all the difference. Here's what to look for and why each component matters. Choosing the best beef cuts. Not all beef is created equal for this dish. You want cuts that stay tender while simmering in the sauce. Sirloin. Lean but flavorful, this cut holds up well without becoming tough. Trim excess fat before cooking for the best texture. Tenderloin. A pricier option, but its buttery softness melts into the creamy sauce effortlessly. Ideal for special occasions. Stew meat. Budget-friendly and perfect for slow cooking. The longer cook time breaks down connective tissue, resulting in fork-tender bites. Avoid overly tough cuts like round steak unless you plan to braise for hours. The goal is beef that's succulent, not chewy. Mushroom varieties and their impact. Mushrooms bring depth and earthiness to the dish. The type you choose changes the flavor profile. Button mushrooms. Mild and versatile, these blend seamlessly without overpowering the beef. They hold their shape well during cooking. Cremini. Baby Bella. Slightly richer than button mushrooms, adding a deeper umami note. Their firmer texture stands up to simmering. Shiitake. Bold and aromatic, these add a smoky, almost meaty quality. Remove tough stems before cooking. For a more complex dish, mix 2 or 3 varieties. The interplay of flavors makes each bite more interesting. The role of cream and dairy substitutes. Cream transforms this dish from good to unforgettable. It adds richness, binds the flavors, and creates a luscious texture. Heavy cream, the classic choice, giving the sauce its signature silky body. Simmer gently to prevent curdling. Half and half, a lighter option if you prefer a less decadent sauce. It won't thicken as much, so reduce it longer. Coconut milk, a dairy-free alternative that's subtly sweet and creamy. Use full fat for the best results. Cashew cream. Blended soaked cashews mimic the richness of dairy. It's neutral in flavor, letting the beef and mushrooms shine. If using dairy-free substitutes, adjust seasoning carefully. Some alternatives may need a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon to balance flavors. Step-by-step cooking guide. Cooking creamy beef mushroom isn't complicated, but a few key steps ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Follow this guide to nail the texture, balance, and richness that make this dish so satisfying. Preparing the ingredients. Start with well-prepped ingredients. This makes cooking smoother and ensures even cooking. Beef. Slice against the grain into 1/2-inch strips. This keeps the meat tender instead of chewy. Pat it dry with paper towels to help it sear better. Mushrooms. Wipe them clean with a damp cloth or soft brush to avoid soggy mushrooms. Slice uniformly so they cook evenly. Aromatics. Mince garlic finely and dice onions small. They should melt into the sauce, not overpower it. Pro tip. Prep everything before heating the pan. Once you start cooking, things move quickly. Now you know why this dish is a true comfort food classic. But we're just getting started. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll show you the full recipe and how to make it perfectly every time. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.